Today we'll be looking at the One Piece and Casetify AirPod Pro cases. Been lost in the mail for weeks, and it just so happened to come in the week of the 1000th episode. So yeah, let's take a closer look. So I do own AirPod Pros, and I had gotten this case off of Amazon with a Luffy keychain, but this was a cheap, flimsy case. I mean, there used to be a straw hat on his back, and that just like broke off. This thing is like really worn out, so yeah, I'm definitely due for an upgrade. So Luffy is the main protagonist of the series. His dream is to become king of the pirates. Wow, they really nailed it. So this is the fruit Luffy ate to give him his gum powers, the gum fruit. This is so nice. One Piece, Casetify, love it. Yeah, seems like decent quality. Like, it's better than what I have now, and it being a black case, like, it attracts dust and you can see it. So something like this should do a better job. So yeah, let's try this one out first. Gonna take the old one off first. Goodbye, Luffy. They also threw in these cleansing wipes, which is a nice touch. Just gonna wipe down the case real quick. Get rid of any muck and stuff that might prevent the case from sitting on it properly. Right? Nice and clean. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on. Fits like a glove. Fits like a glove. Wow, that went on fairly easily. And bam. Oh, nice. I can actually see the light through it too. That was another issue with the other one. I couldn't see the light. Oh, that is nice. All right, now let's take a look at the other one. Next up, we have the Mirror no Mi, also known as the Flame Fruit. This belonged to Portgas the Ace, Fire Fist Ace, Luffy's brother, also the best donut in all of existence. Be sure to hit that like button if you get the reference. Wow. Like, I already knew this was going to be the cooler one, design-wise, but wow, that is really nice. Just look at all the flames. Oh boy, let's try it on. Once again, fits like a glove. Hold on, need to a little more effort to put this one in. Bam! Wow, that looks so cool. Yeah, this is definitely the cooler one in design, but I might use the gum fruit one as like more often. And if I want to change it up, I have the option. So that's nice. But yeah, I'm glad I finally managed to get these. They've been lost in the mail for weeks, and I actually missed the release for this one. This one came out first earlier this year. All right, so I missed that drop, and then they did another release, and I managed to finally pick this one up. So yeah, this one I definitely wanted. Luffy is my favorite character in One Piece. I think it's simpler in design, doesn't stand out too much, and I think it looks really cool. But let me know. Do you prefer the Flame Fruit case, or do you prefer the Gum Fruit case? Let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys are happy about One Piece reaching 1,000 episodes, just as I am. And if you're a One Piece fan, let me know down in the comments. And I'll see you guys in that next video.